Folks, back with you with another warning. This one going into St. Landry Parish now, as storm merger may happen, as you see here in the, let's see, right there. We see one southern storm, which is a left mover. You can see this moving north. This was a storm which came all the way across the Lake Charles method out of the Golden Triangle, and with a hail streak all the way through that particular area. It was moving to the right a little bit. Now it moved pretty straight. Now it's hooking to the left a bit, and that is going to allow it to hook up with the next storm, which is in line back behind it. This has been the second storm, which has prompted a good bit of warnings here across Beauregard and Allen, and even into Evangeline Parish. So we still have one which includes portions of southern Evangeline, looks like Ville Platte in the warned area right now, as well as Mamou, Chautauqua, and then going into Eunice. You folks in the far western part of St. Landry, and even into the southwest part there, as we're going toward Sunset, Grand Corps, Leonville, Opelousas in the warned area right now, and almost to Washington and around Port Barry. Looks like have the warning going on there in that particular area around Port Barry. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. There's Port Barry, again on the eastern edge of that, going up to the Nuba community, and looks like Lawtell, Swords, Petrieville, Savoy. So you kind of get the idea. These are the cities and towns that are in the warned area. This is both a hail and wind threat for you folks that I just mentioned, and the parishes I just mentioned. There's potential for hail to be a little larger than golf ball size, perhaps up to maybe a regular size hen egg, or maybe a lime, somewhere around 2 inches in diameter. So between golf ball and tennis ball, but a little bigger than a golf ball, smaller than a tennis ball, if that makes sense. Hen egg and lime, that'd be a good estimator, I think, for that. And there could be some strong wind with this. These updrafts, sometimes they build up and then they collapse. And so that means that we could see some strong wind with this, which wind-driven hail, very destructive. So this could be a destructive storm for some of these locations down in that area. The warm front is lingering around down in that particular area. So let me look a little broader view. The warm front has been able to punch through Opelousas. Temperatures have warmed up here during the day, as well as some areas just to the west of there. So the warm front has slowly moved northward. And what I think is going to happen is that northward journey of the warm front will continue overnight and into tomorrow, and set up more of central Louisiana for a severe weather threat instead of this southern part like we've seen for today. So again, severe thunderstorm warnings out for portions of southern Evangeline Parish and into the southwest and far western portion of the St. Landry Parish. Opelousas included, Eunice included, Mamou. We got Chautauqua included in that as well. So stay indoors, stay away from windows, and of course